So hello from the studio. I just wanted to talk about our storm damaged tea towels and napkins. Some of you might have seen the post a few weeks ago. We sadly had a leak in our stock room, but luckily we rescued all the stock in time, sent it off to professional cleaners, and we have just got a few bits left. So there's tea towels in the navy blue, the raspberry red and the grey. They've all got hanging loops, and as with all the products, there's no water staining on them at all. They're absolutely perfect. They've been washed, which means we can't print on them, and we're selling them at 50% off in packs of 4. So alongside the tea towels, we've also got napkins in natural, in the grey and in this lovely sage green. So grab yourself a bargain. As I said, there's not that many left, but there are a few to be had. You'll find them on the website under storm damaged tea towels or storm damaged napkins. Thanks.